Be sure to watch our overnighter in Morro Bay, which was the first part of our journey. We hiked around the rock and ate some great food and drank some delicious coffee before heading to Carmel, Monterey, and San Francisco. We're Marlene and Tomas, Passports Travel Vloggers. So we're driving on PCH coming from the north, and then you just kind of turn off, follow the signs, and you are in Carmel. Yay! Here we are. This is Ocean Ave. It's the center street that goes straight down to the state park. And this has all the lovely shops and our favorite coffee and pastry shop that has these amazing gluten-free cookies that I love. And we are here for 3 nights. I think Carmel-by-the-Sea is the most beautiful city in California. It's like walking around in a fairy tale. And the food everywhere we went was absolutely delicious. Carmel Bakery. It's our favorite. And our parking right in front. And there's free parking all around this city. You don't have to pay for anything, just like when we were in Morro Bay. So it's very nice to not have to pay for parking and worry about parking. Sometimes it can get crowded during the touristy times, you know, so you park on a street or something, but it's always such a pretty walk and everything's so close. It's a great little town. So this is the famous Carmel Bakery. This is just a highlight of what they have.
Hello.
Oh my god. And my favorite gluten-free item is that one.
And this one, the round one?
Yeah.
Are they the same?
No, I don't think so. They only have one gluten-free thing. This is what Thomas got. Some kind of cream cheese-filled pastry. And they have Lavazza coffee here, which is great. They have Lavazza decaf, and they have espresso. And this place has been around for like 40-something years, so it's really good.
Because there are no chain restaurants here, like you're not gonna get Starbucks here or Pete's Coffee. It's all local restaurants and bakeries and coffee shops.
It's all just individually owned restaurants. That's sure nice to see in a town. This place is so cute. We're just walking the streets. Adorable. $1 million. Well, in case you ever want to move here, you got a couple million, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 million. This is where you come to buy property. Oh, how cute. A little wine shop.
Restaurant.
Oh, restaurant. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. This village in Carmel-by-the-Sea is absolutely stunning. Everything is so pretty. Pretty park here. Let's see. Here's a map of the city, or the village anyway. And this cute little park here. It's adorable. Oh my, look at that tree, how gorgeous. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. We're looking for a restaurant to eat at for some lunch. Man and woman made of metal. This Italian restaurant is fabulous. They have homemade pasta noodles. Oh my god, I never get that anywhere. This is amazing. And it's delicious. And what did you get?
Goat cheese raviolis.
Oh my god, are they wonderful? They look amazing. Wow, and this restaurant is called what?
The Giovannini Bistro.
Oh my God, it's amazing. That was the most amazing food we've had in this city yet. I'm so glad that we discovered that restaurant. Oh my God, it was outstanding. And it was a little bit cheaper than some of the other places. So good. It's my favorite building and my favorite corner. So cute.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it pretty? Looks like it's out of a fairy tale. So you walk down Ocean Ave and you come right to this beautiful beach. And there's plenty of, well, I don't want to say plenty of parking. There's parking, but it gets full. But look how beautiful this is. So you can drive and walk the whole coastline between Monterey, Pacific Grove, and Carmel, all of which I've highlighted in this video, and the next one from Monterey. They're all labeled as scenic drives, none of them to be confused with 17 Mile Drive, which you'll see in my Pebble Beach and 17 Mile Drive video. There is really no coastline quite as spectacular as the coastline of Northern California. To Clint Eastwood's house. Well, not his house, his ranch.
Mission Ranch.
Mission Ranch. It's a hotel resort. He has sheep and a restaurant that overlooks some of the water, and it's really pretty. We're at Clint Eastwood's Ranch in Carmel, just hanging out with the sheep. They're eating right now. How interesting, they all eat at the same time apparently. Oh, he didn't like you.
You don't worry about food shortages, right?
Oh my.
Yep.
So the story with Clint Eastwood's ranch, Mission Ranch, is that all of this property was zoned and ready for some big giant hotel to come in and buy it out. And Clint Eastwood did not want that, nor probably did the city. So he went ahead and bought it himself and made this little ranch with a restaurant so that it would not be this big conglomerate thing ruining Carmel. And here you have Mission Ranch, and it's very lovely and quaint. And a short 10-minute walk from here, you get to the Carmel Mission. At the Carmel Mission, and this is the garden. I think this is about our 6th or 7th mission that we've been to. Well, the only thing open often at this mission in Carmel is the garden. We gave a donation and got in, and it's really pretty and was worth a couple of dollars to get in. The houses and cottages around this city and in this village are absolutely beautiful, idyllic, and very, very well manicured and maintained. I see a store that's calling my name. It says all about chocolate. Oh, it's so pretty here. Quite a few Michelin star restaurants here in Carmel. Oh, how cute these are. They have a self-guided walking tour that you can take of the village, and it highlights all of the historical buildings because a large majority of the buildings that are in the village are all historical, and it gives you all the history on them and everything. It's kind of a fun thing to do. We did it last time on my last video of Carmel. We didn't have time to do it this time. What you got there, honey?
Toscan pasta.
Got the mushroom and truffle risotto, and I got a beet salad with orange and raspberries and blue cheese. And that pasta has peas and wild mushrooms and artichokes and pappardelle noodles. It looks amazing. Buon appetito! Nice walk to the beach, huh? Of course, I'm wearing a ski jacket and a beanie. So we just had to show you guys more of this incredible coastline and these cottages and homes that line the coast. That's your $1 million homes. And these pathways and the beach. It's just so beautiful. That's why I think that Carmel is the most beautiful city in California. Oh, now someone else wants to say hello. Oh.
This is how we start every morning in Carmel at the Carmel Bakery. Lavazza coffee.
And Carmel Bakery is known for their pretzels. And I would say it's not actually a pretzel, but it's like this big, beautiful pretzel-y piece of really soft bread with Parmesan and other toppings on it, and it looks great. And then just like in Italy, they have Thomas's favorite
Chocolate croissant.
Chocolate croissants. I just got two. These houses and cottages are just lovely here. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.